Today we are going to make a very easy rice recipe. For this onion rice, we need these ingredients. First we need to put washed rice into a pan and add salt, turmeric powder, pandan leaves, cloves and cardamom into it. After that, add water to the level that it needs to cook rice and cook it. If you need, you can add 1 teaspoon of oil into this to prevent rice sticking each other. Until rice cooks, we can slice onions. If you can add onions even more than the amount mentioned here, it will be a big help to make your rice more delicious. Now our rice is well cooked. After that, we need to heat oil in a separate pan and add ginger garlic and curry leaves into it. When ginger garlic changes color a bit, add sliced onions and salt as per your taste. We need to fry these onions under medium heat until they become golden brown. It might take around 5 to 6 minutes. When onions are ready, we can add chili powder, pepper powder and roasted curry powder. Then add half of the cooked rice and combine together. After that, we can add butter and mix it thoroughly with rice. Then add rest of the cooked rice. If you have, you can add some raisins and cashew to enhance the taste. Finally, mix the rice around 3 to 4 minutes under medium-low heat and turn off the flame. Hope you enjoyed this rice recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon until we meet again with another delicious recipe.